how to uninstall BlueStacks from your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the BlueStacks application from your Windows 11 PC. So uninstalling the BlueStack application is fairly very easy. So all you need to do is simply follow the steps listed out in this video. So if I go to the search bar and search for BlueStacks, you can see that the BlueStack 5 application is present into my system. So we will need to remove the BlueStack application as a whole. So the trick that I will be mentioning here will remove or uninstall all of the instances of BlueStacks which is present into your system. So to do this, simply move your cursor towards the bottom and onto the start button, simply right click on it, and from here you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto the settings and you will be led to the settings of your Windows computer. Then from here you need to click onto this apps tab at the left. Then from here simply click onto the installed apps, and then under the installed apps you need to find BlueStacks. From here you can see these two instances, that is the BlueStacks and the BlueStack services. So the first thing we will need to do is remove the BlueStacks application. To do this, simply click onto these three dots present at the right hand side over the BlueStacks application, and from here simply choose uninstall. You can see this message which says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So in order to continue, simply click onto this uninstall button, and if a dialog box appears, simply click onto the yes option and just wait for the process to happen, and it will give you a dialog box which says please tell us why you choose to uninstall BlueStacks. So simply choose any option that you wish, and then from here simply click onto this uninstall button, and it will ask you for a final confirmation which says would you like to uninstall BlueStacks. So simply click on uninstall, and here you can see that the engine, client and everything are being uninstalled. And once that will be done, you can see this message which says uninstalled BlueStacks. So then once you are done with this, click onto this complete button, and here you can see that the BlueStacks has been successfully removed from your system. Now comes the uninstallation process for the BlueStacks services. So repeat the same steps as you did earlier for the BlueStacks. So simply click onto these three dots present at the right hand side of the BlueStacks services, and then choose the uninstall option, and this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click onto the uninstall button right here and just wait for the uninstallation process to finish. And here you can see once the app will be automatically uninstalled, you can see that it has been removed from the list of applications from your computer. And now if I go towards the start button and search for BlueStacks, I will not find any of the instances. But here you can see that there is also an instance called the BlueStack installer. So if you did find any of the instances, simply right click over them, and from here you can choose the option of open file location, and you can see that this is the installation. So this is not actually the application but rather the installation that I have downloaded to install the application. So I can delete this as well, and now if I search for BlueStacks, I will not find any of the instances or matches in my system. So let me search for it again, and here you can see that no application is being reflected here into my system. So that means that the BlueStack has been successfully removed or uninstalled from my Windows 11 computer. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.